Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Versa 4 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the side button. After the watch turns on, you may see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down, find the language you would like to use on your watch, then tap on it to select it. And once you select the language, you will see this message. Basically, it tells us to download and install the Fitbit application on the phone we want to pair our watch with. So let's make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Then open the Google Play Store. In the Play Store, tap on search and type in Fitbit and tap on search, and you should see this application, Fitbit by Fitbit LLC. Tap on the install button next to it to download and install the application. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on open button to open it. In the app, you will need to log in into a Google account or Fitbit account. I'm gonna log in into Fitbit account, but you can use the Google one if you want to. Now I'm gonna enter the email and password, so give me a couple of seconds. And then we can tap on sign in. Right here we can move our Fitbit account to Google account, basically connect them. I'm just gonna tap on no thanks and tap on got it. Here tap on continue, continue, and right here we can select on what we want to focus on with our app. I'm gonna select sleep better, but you can select anything you like, and then tap on save. And at this point you should see today page of the app. If you see it, tap on the icon in the top left corner to open the connected to Fitbit menu, and here tap on add device. Select the Versa 4 from the list. Tap on setup. If you see this message, tap on the here on this message on the warning, tap on allow, then tap on setup. For some reason it's some of the information in the app is in Spanish for me. I don't know why. I don't understand this, but here you need to scroll down, tap on accept, then continue, and here we can enable the location, or rather allow the location permission. This is useful if you want to track your activities, for example, on the map, like running, cycling and stuff like that. If you don't care, you can scroll down and tap on continue without location, and then tap on skip to skip this step. If you want to allow the permission, tap on here, then tap on here, tap on allow, and then tap back, and you will be all set, and you can tap on done. Now we need to enter the code from the watch to the app. As you can see, the watch for some reason also switched to Spanish. I don't know why it's happening, because I selected the English on the watch and the phone's language is set to English. I have no clue why it's doing this, but we can continue. If you see this error, it might be because the watch was already connected to your phone at some point. So you can try to open the settings, Bluetooth settings, and check if you have the Versa 4 on the list of connected devices. I do, because this watch was connected to this phone before and I forgot to disconnect it, so we need to forget device. And once you forget it, you can go back to app and tap on try again. And now we can tap on pair and connect, pair, allow. Here we can purchase the subscription. I'm just gonna tap on now. And as you can see, we need to update our watch. So let's tap on update. This is, we can skip it. This is like forced on us. So if your battery is low on the watch, I recommend to plug it into the charger before you continue. So let's tap on update, and let's wait until it's done updating. And once it's done updating, you can tap on continue. Here we can go next. Right here you can set up Alexa if you want to. I'm just gonna tap on not now, but if you want to set up the Alexa, tap on get started, and it's gonna guide you through the process. And right here we can enable the notifications for our watch. So if you want to receive the, oh never mind, what am I saying? This is for the calls. So if you want to use your watch to make free hands-free calls, you need to allow some permissions, and to do it you can tap on the arrow right here and basically allow the permission. If you don't want to use this feature, tap on skip. I'm gonna tap on the permission to allow it, like that. This one is required, so we need to allow it. Rest is not required, but it's recommended to allow them, like that. Then tap on done, then tap on Bluetooth pairing. It's gonna basically pair your watch with the phone again. Something didn't work, let's try again. Okay, it looks like it won't connect for me, so I'm gonna tap on setup later to skip this, but basically how it works, you just tap on Bluetooth pairing, you tap on pair and connect, tap on pair, and it should work. Right here we can tap on this button, then next, 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 and then done. And here you can also buy a premium for the Fitbit account if you want to. I'm just gonna tap on X to skip it. And at this point you should see the Versa 4 on the list of devices in the Connect to Fitbit page, or on the Connect to Fitbit page. And you can tap on it to open the settings for it. Okay, and of course you can use your watch as well. So that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.